In the heart of the vast subcontinent, where the Ganges whispers tales of ancient times, there was a village of vibrant souls, untouched by the wonders of the world beyond. One day, a group of adventurous villagers returned from a distant journey, leading a creature of such grandeur and mystery that it stirred the curiosity of every heart. An elephant, they called it, a beast none had ever seen before. The elephant was kept in a large, dark room. The villagers, eager to meet this new guest, ventured into the room, one by one, guided by their hands in the darkness. Each emerged with a different tale to tell. "He is like a mighty fan," declared the first. "No, he is a long, flexible pipe," countered another. Each villager, having touched a different part of the elephant, painted their own picture of the creature. Arguments erupted, each villager defending their own perception, their own reality. The harmony of the community was threatened by the unseen elephant. In the midst of the turmoil, an old, wise man named Rumi stepped forward. "Each of us touches one place and understands the whole, that way," he began. He held up a candle, its flame flickering in the evening breeze. "If each of us held a candle there, and if we went in together, we could see it." And so, they did. The darkness receded, revealing the majestic elephant in all its glory. The villagers gasped, their fragmented perceptions merging into the complete reality of the elephant. The argument ceased, replaced by a shared sense of wonder and understanding. The elephant, in its silent wisdom, had taught them a profound lesson. That truth is a many-faceted gem, each facet reflecting a different reality. Each of us touches one place and understands the whole, that way. The palm and the fingers feeling in the dark are how the senses explore the reality of the elephant. If each of us held a candle there, and if we went in together, we could see it. And so, the villagers found their unity in the light of understanding, their peace in the presence of the elephant. This tale, dear viewers, is a reminder of the power of shared understanding and the beauty of collective wisdom. Like the villagers, we too often see only fragments of the truth. But when we bring our lights together, when we seek to understand rather than argue, we can see the elephant in all its glory. In the end, the path to understanding and unity is not through argument, but through shared illumination. The elephant, once a source of discord, became a symbol of unity and wisdom, a beacon guiding them towards a more enlightened future. This is Passion Drive. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and practical tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Remember to keep your candles burning and your minds open.